How to sync audio and video in CapCut. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily sync audio and video in CapCut. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you're going to have to go ahead and open up your CapCut app. And then from here, you can just create a new project. Once you select the video, just tap on add and then it will be added to your timeline. So let me just mute this clip now. Now to add an audio, just tap on add audio and then click on sounds. And if you want, you can just import sound from your phone's library. So I'm just gonna add a music right here. So let me just add this one right here. I'm just gonna click on this plus icon. And from here, you can adjust it so that it fits on the video. So to increase the size of the video, I'm just going to decrease the speed a bit and make it up to 15 seconds. Tap on done. And I'm going to go ahead and shrink the audio to match the video. So tap on this horizontal line, drag it up, and then sync it to your video. Alright, so now once you've done that, there is a feature called Add Beats on CapCut. For that, you are going to have to go back first and then select the video, then swipe to the right and then click on Beats. And here you have an option to auto-generate, or if you want, you could just add beat according to your choice, but I'm just going to use the auto beat feature for now. Tap on auto-generate and it will start adding beats automatically. And click on add sound, and from here you could just add a random sound here. So let me just add this one, and once you add sound, it will auto generate the beat. So go back and then tap on the video, tap on beats, and then auto generate. And once you have done that, it will auto add the beat where there are beats on the audio. So it will take a while, but it's going to automatically add beats. So as you can see, all of these yellow dots are beats that has been added to sync your sound and video. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.